For most of human history, the planets were nothing more than tiny points of light in the night sky. People could only imagine what those distant worlds might look like. Some believed Mars had civilizations, others thought Venus might be covered in oceans. But the truth remained hidden, because we simply didn't have the technology to see them up close. That all changed when humanity began sending machines into space. Spacecraft, orbiters, and telescopes have travelled millions, sometimes billions, of miles to capture images of the worlds around us. And what they revealed was far more incredible than anyone expected. These are real images taken from across our solar system, and some of them completely shocked astronomers. Begin with the heart of our solar system, the Sun. With a diameter of about 1.39 million kilometers, roughly 109 times the width of Earth. The Sun is not just a glowing ball of light in the sky. It is a massive nuclear engine powering everything around it. In fact, the Sun contains nearly all the mass in the solar system. Every second it releases an enormous amount of energy, sending light and heat across billions of miles. Space observatories constantly monitor its surface, capturing dramatic eruptions of solar plasma. Sometimes giant arcs of glowing material rise from the surface and explode outward into space. These eruptions, known as coronal mass ejections, can stretch millions of miles and travel through space at incredible speeds. They are beautiful to watch, but powerful enough to affect planets across the solar system. Moving away from the Sun, the first planet we encounter is Mercury. Mercury has a diameter of 4,079 kilometers. Mercury is the smallest planet, and also one of the most extreme worlds ever photographed. Because it sits so close to the Sun, temperatures can change drastically between day and night. Images taken by spacecraft show a surface covered in craters, scars left behind by ancient asteroid impacts. Some of these craters are hundreds of miles wide. Looking at Mercury is almost like looking at our moon, except this world sits dangerously close to the Sun's intense heat. Next comes Venus. Venus has a diameter of 12,104 kilometers, and at first glance Venus looks like it could be Earth's twin. It is almost the same size as our planet, but beneath its thick clouds lies one of the most hostile environments in the entire solar system. The atmosphere of Venus traps heat so efficiently that the surface becomes hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther from the Sun. Images captured by Pioneer Venus Orbiter reveal ultraviolet lights glowing under an orange sky. Venus is a powerful reminder of how different two similar planets can become. The third planet from the Sun is the one we call home Earth. Earth has a diameter of 12,742 kilometers, and from space, Earth appears as a beautiful blue world filled with oceans, swirling clouds, and vast continents. Satellite images show storms forming, ice caps shifting, and forests stretching across the land. But some of the most fascinating photos of Earth were taken from far away. Spacecraft travelling to other planets have turned around and captured images of our planet as a tiny glowing sphere in the darkness of space. In those pictures, Earth looks fragile, almost like a small island floating in an endless cosmic ocean. Next comes Mars. Mars has a diameter of 6,179 kilometers, and Mars has fascinated humans for centuries. Its reddish colour made ancient civilizations associate it with war and fire, but modern spacecraft have revealed a far more complex world. Orbiters and rovers have photographed enormous canyons, giant volcanoes, and dusty landscapes stretching for thousands of miles. Mars is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which towers far higher than any mountain on Earth. Robotic rovers exploring the Martian surface have taken incredible panoramic images showing rocky deserts and distant hills. Each photograph brings us closer to understanding whether life might once have existed there. Beyond Mars lies the largest planet of them all, Jupiter. Jupiter has a diameter of 139,820 kilometers. Jupiter is a true giant. Its swirling clouds create colourful bands that wrap around the entire planet. One feature stands out more than anything else: the Great Red Spot. This massive storm has been raging for centuries. It is so large that our entire planet could fit inside it. Spacecraft flying past Jupiter have captured breathtaking images of its turbulent atmosphere. Some show massive storms spinning like cosmic hurricanes, Others reveal strange patterns near the poles where powerful storms gather together in geometric shapes. Jupiter's atmosphere is constantly moving, constantly changing, and endlessly fascinating. Further out is Saturn. Saturn has a diameter of 116,460 kilometers. Saturn is often considered the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Its famous rings stretch out for hundreds of thousands of miles. These rings are made of countless pieces of ice and rock, orbiting the planet at incredible speeds. Spacecraft studying Saturn have captured stunning images of sunlight shining through the rings, creating glowing patterns across space. Scientists have also discovered strange storms on Saturn, including a mysterious hexagon-shaped cloud system near the North Pole. No one fully understands how this massive geometric storm forms. Beyond Saturn lies Uranus. Uranus has a diameter of 50,124 kilometers. Uranus is unusual because it spins on its side. Instead of rotating upright like most planets, it appears almost tipped over. Images show a pale blue planet surrounded by faint rings and icy moons. Because it is so far from the Sun, sunlight there is extremely weak. Yet even at that distance, powerful telescopes and spacecraft have managed to capture detailed views of this distant world. Next comes Neptune. Neptune has a diameter of 49,244 kilometers. Neptune is the farthest known planet in our solar system. It is a deep blue world filled with violent winds and powerful storms. Some of the fastest winds in the solar system have been recorded there. Photographs show dark storm systems swirling across the planet's atmosphere. These storms appear and disappear over time, making Neptune one of the most dynamic planets despite its enormous distance from Earth. And finally, we arrive at Pluto. Pluto has a diameter of 2,377 kilometers. Once considered the 9th planet, Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet, but that hasn't made it any less fascinating. When a spacecraft flew past Pluto for the first time, it revealed something completely unexpected. Instead of a frozen, lifeless rock, Pluto showed mountains of ice, vast plains, and strange patterns across its surface. One region even forms a giant heart-shaped area visible from space. Even at the edge of the solar system, there are still surprises waiting to be discovered. Humanity has already traveled billions of miles to capture these incredible images. But the universe is far larger than our solar system. The nearest star system lies trillions of miles away. One day, new spacecraft may travel there and send back the first real photographs of alien worlds orbiting other stars. When that happens, our understanding of the universe may change forever, because the more we explore space, the more incredible it becomes.